Hi, this is Kurt Bates with Mercedes-Benz of Manchester to show you the 2008 Chevrolet Express cargo van. So we have the white, reachable for ladder racks. Your gas fill up is right here. I left the tape measure here. So you have 9 feet from the partition back, and there is a door partition up there as well. Plenty of room and space for your needs. This has a dual open, which is kind of nice to be able to go in and fit whatever you need to. So all your heat, very simplified. Your controls here, your radio, for your stations, your cup holders, even an ashtray or a coin collector. Plenty of space, very simplified. This does have the partition, so you can set up your shelving for tools or whatever to keep the driver or the passengers safe. Thanks again for looking at the 2008 Chevrolet Express cargo van. My name is Kurt Bates with Mercedes-Benz of Manchester. I can be reached at 603-702-2373. Thanks, and make it a great day.